So guys, please, if you are new to this channel, before you go, I want you to actually subscribe, so to help this our channel grow. Now let's start with our Euro USD for the day. We can see we would start with our daily time frame. Long term move, we are actually on an uptrend move, right? We are actually on an uptrend move for for some months now, and guess what, I think we are starting to have a drop right on our USDJPY. Now let's take a look at it. This was our highs here, then our price dropped here. We had a pullback, we actually had another drop, breaking our previous lower lows, and we actually had a pullback. Now there's one thing that I know is that once our price breaks above this key level here, where we had this our previous lower lows, if our price can actually break above it, then what I can say is that we are actually still on an uptrend move on our USDJPY. But if in case it fails and it continues to go and even break this our previous lower lows here, then our trend for our USDJPY has actually changed, by the way. So this is another key level we should be watching. I've highlighted. Once it breaks above it, we can still believe we are on an uptrend move. But if it fails to break above it and it just pushes down, breaking these lows here, then I can tell you we are a downward trend. That is on our USDJPY. Now let's take a look at it on our 4-hour time frame. For the day, by 4-hour time frame, we can analyze where our price will be moving. On our 4-hour time frame for today, we can see we are actually on an uptrend move here. We can see higher highs, we can see the higher lows, breaking another higher highs, breaking our previous higher highs, another higher lows here. We can see another higher highs, breaking our previous higher highs, right? And you can see these higher lows. Now we can see this is a key level here. Our previous higher highs was broken here, and now one thing I know is that I would try and wait, because this, we are currently on our London section. I would try to wait till probably New York section, and I would want to take that trade, breaking my previous higher highs. So if our price breaks this higher highs here, then we are on an uptrend move. But if it fails and it continues to drop, probably we are on an downward trend. So this is a crucial moment where our USD or our JPY, where to decide our trend for our USD and JPY. So one thing is that I believe personally that our USD JPY would be dropping, or for today it will actually probably go bullish, but tomorrow, let's see how it will plays out. But if my price continues to push up, then I don't mind taking my buy position. Currently I just don't know how to place this trade, but I am waiting for my price to actually give me that bullish move upward. Once it break my previous higher highs on my 4-hour time frame, then I will be taking a buy on our USDJPY. That is exactly what I am seeing right now. Our price has just tapped our 10-period moving average on our 4-hour time frame. Sooner or later we should see that bullish push up, and if not, then probably our price will be changing direction on our USDJPY.